Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll install 15mm wheel spacers for this Mercedes E-Class. First, we need to use a cross wrench to loosen the wheel bolts. Now we need to install the wheel hanger. BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 or 7075T6, formed by withstanding continuous strong pressure. That improves the strength of the wheel spacers. The hard anodized surface treatment brings the corrosion function better. With these excellent characteristics, BONOSS wheel spacers bring safer driving and better handling for customers. BONOSS has been 10 years experience of designing and manufacturing wheel spacers. Professional production experience and excellent product quality make us confident to provide a super long warranty service up to 10 years. Now we finished the installation of this BONOSS wheel spacers. What do you think of this? If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.